Okay, I was too lazy to pull out the ladder. So what I did is park the truck sideways, and I'm gonna use this to pull down the lights. So I can just do one of those and use this to connect the power. I think the best way here is probably just to lift that up. Oh, don't let me forget that. So, just jump in here. Now, would it have probably been easier to use a ladder? Maybe. Would it have been as fun? Definitely not. Alright, now I need to just work on honestly, at least this way I don't have to scoot the ladder every 5 seconds. So that's nice. Alright, I'll have something like that.